Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friend, recently I have received a comment in my comment section that I don't understand in English. Actually, I don't understand in English. So what should I speak? Because I want to learn this language. I want to speak in English. And what should I speak? And when should I speak? Actually, this is a question asked by a subscriber, I mean to say a viewer. And I think that this is a common question asked by every English learner. Okay, everyone wants to learn this language, how to speak in English fluently. They want to be fluent in English, but the problem is that they says that what to speak, when to speak, and sometimes I don't understand in English. Okay, so yes, understanding is necessary to speak in English, because once you understand in English, that means you know some structure, how to read in English, how to write something in English, and listen to English. If you are perfect in listening, if you are understanding every single words in English, that means there is a chance to speak out. Okay, and if you are not understanding, you feel something sometimes difficult to recognize the sentence, what is happening and what is happened and what happened and what will happen. So in this way, you always feel confused. Okay, and then you think that what to speak. Okay, so friends, first thing is that I am going to share with you in this video some topics that is very important to speak in English, that is very important to practice in English, because once you understand something, and the next level is that speak out. So understanding is the first thing and the speak out is the second thing. Okay, and you says that I don't understand English. It is not true. If you are not understand, that means you are not watching my videos, that means you can a little bit understand. Okay, so you need to practice in English, you need to some efforts towards this language. If you are not understand, that means speak, that means listen the English content more and more again and again, and after sometimes you feel more comfortable with English, you can understand everything in English. Okay, initially time it's happened with me, and when someone wants to learn this language, and he or she is going to learn this language, so the in initially time it feels okay, it feels. So if you feel that you don't understand, then don't worry. First thing is that identify your level, where are you standing. Okay, so in this video I'm going to share with you which kind of level of learners, and what should we do to improve our level. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so in this today video I'm going to discuss with you some level. Okay, so here the person pupils who wants to learn this language, so there are three category. Okay, so first category is learners, yeah, I mean to say beginners. Okay, beginners level. Second category is intermediate level. Okay, and the third category is advanced level. Okay, so find out where are you standing, beginners level, intermediate level, or advanced level. Okay, so who are beginners? Beginners are those people who can who can read in English something, and understand some little bit, and they can speak out some words in English and some little sentence in English. So those are all the people are beginner. Okay, and intermediate level, who are in intermediate level, the people who say something in English, I mean to say, they can speak out some sentences in English and they can understand everything in English, so they are intermediate level. Okay. And the advanced level, all the fluent speaker are in advanced level. Okay, so there are three category. First is initial level, yeah, I mean to say beginners level. Second is intermediate level, and third is advanced level. Okay, so where are you standing first thing is that find out your category. Okay, and if you are studying beginners level, okay, so you need to more efforts towards learn this language. I mean to say you have to read everything in English, and you listen more and more, listen any English content, such like any podcast, okay, any song. So it depends on you, what and you in which category you are interested. First thing is that find out your level and then start to improve your level. Okay, if you are standing beginners level, so you need to improve your level and reach the intermediate level. And if you are intermediate level, then you can you give some efforts to learn this language and reach the advanced level. Okay, so first thing is that identify your level, where are you standing, and do work according to your level. Okay friends, so first thing is that don't worry if you are think that you don't understand in English, and so you think that what should you speak and when to speak. Okay, don't worry, you don't need to go direct in publicly to speak out. You just, if you are beginner level, so just speak out with yourself. Just speak in front of the stand in front of the mirror and some say something in English. And if you have nothing to topic to speak out, so here I'm going to give you some topic, and you can speak in English and 1 minute every topic. So here I'm going to give you some topic. Okay, first topic is that speak out your daily routine. Okay, everyone have a daily routine, so you can speak out. This is a very important topic, and everyone, the beginner who start their journey, so generally most of the learners have start their journey with this level. Speak out your daily routine. Okay, daily routine means when I woke up and then I take a shower, then I dress up and comb the hair and do worship, makes my breakfast. In this way you can speak out. Practice, but you have to practice towards learn this language. Okay, everyone have a routine, and if you speak out your daily routine and again repeat your daily routine again, so you feel that now I can understand English and I can speak out in English. Okay, it's very important, but speak out loud. Practice in English in a loud way. Okay, so here I give you some example. I mean to say daily routine. Okay, this is your first topic. Okay, second topic is that speak out your favorite actor. Who is your favorite actor and which movie you like more, which he had acted on. Okay, so in this way you can speak out some points. Okay, some points in English. And the third topic is that your favorite movie. Which is your favorite movie and why is you like more, and who actor and actresses had act on, so you can speak out. And the fourth topic is that speak out your environment. Okay, where are you living, and in this way you can speak out your environment. And fifth topic is that save the environment. Okay, save water, save plants, and pollution. There are so many aspects to speak out. So okay, and then you can speak out your favorite festival. Okay, my favorite festival is Diwali. So you can speak out your favorite festival, why Diwali is more like you. And so in this way you can speak out. Okay, and you can speak out who is your best friend. So there are so many topics. So here I gave you some topic name. So choose the topic according to your interest and write some sentence in English, but you have to maintain a diary. First, choose a topic. Okay, my favorite movie, and write some sentences which is related to your movie. So write down you in diary, and next when you feel okay, so then next you can repeat all the things. So in this way you can understand in English and you can speak out in English. So friends, okay, after that I can give you some topic that your favorite actor, your favorite actress, actresses. Okay, your favorite actor and your favorite actresses. Okay, and after that you can speak out power of positivity. Okay, and save environment, save water, and save wild, save pet animals, which is your favorite book. So there are so many topics. Choose it according to your interest and just speak out. Write down some sentence which is related to your topic and do practice with yourself. Use mirror technique, use shadowing technique. There are so many techniques on, and I have shared you so many techniques in my technique in my previous videos. You can check it and just speak out, but do practice because you want to learn this language. So don't always think that I don't understand. No, you understand, you understand in English. And okay, if you think that you don't speak out, you can't speak out, but you can speak out with some practice. If you do practice every day, at least 15 minutes, at least 15 minutes a day, please do practice in English. And after some months, you feel more comfortable in English, you feel more near to English. Okay, and in this way you can feel English is very easy for you. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. So I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.